Here it is, folks, Lima Hamilton unit number 25. Here's where your prime mover is located. The automatic bell's on top. Yep, the horn is, oh, they got two horns. They got the M3 horn and they got the Leslie horn on top. It is an RS5T, I was right. This is the back end of the engine. And there's the builder's plate on the engine. So let's go to the depot and let's get our tickets. And those are the passengers from the earlier departure just getting off board. I'm here on the platform. We'll start boarding in a little while. We'll go inside the depot here. We already got the tickets at this point. I forgot to include, so. Okay. So you can see the depot's bustling. Alright, so stay tuned for my next video when we do the actual train ride.